While you're in the driver's seat, let's be honest, mechanics profit when you don't know the tricks of the trade. They love it when you're confused, padding their invoices with fixes you could have avoided. But that ends today. We're pulling back the curtain on the secrets they hope stay buried. These 18 tips will stretch your engine's life, shrink your repair bills, and put you back in control of your ride. If you think your mechanic always has your best interest at heart, you might want to watch this first. Let's dive in. Tip number 18. Choose the right octane. Picking the right gas isn't about more power, it's about proper combustion. Octane doesn't make gas more potent. It measures how stable the fuel is under compression. A higher octane rating means the fuel resists premature detonation, preventing a destructive event called engine knock. So what should you use? The gas cap or owner's manual will tell you the minimum octane your car needs. If your car requires premium fuel, use it. Your engine's compression ratio is too high for regular gas, and using a lower octane could cause knock and long-term damage. If your car recommends premium, using a lower octane might slightly reduce performance, but it won't damage the engine. If your car is designed for regular gas, don't waste your money on premium. It won't give you more power or better mileage. In fact, it can sometimes make your car run worse. Stick to what your car was designed for. Tip number 17. Give the gas cap gasket a silicone vitamin. This small rubber gasket on your gas cap isn't just decorative. It seals pressure, traps fuel vapors, and keeps your emission system working properly. Over time, that rubber stiffens and cracks. When that happens, pressure leaks out and a mysterious check engine light can appear seemingly out of nowhere. Once a year, give that gasket a quick spa day. Take a pea-sized dab of clear silicone dielectric grease. Rub it evenly around the gasket ring. Twist the cap on and off a few times to spread it evenly. This keeps the rubber supple, prevents micro cracks, and helps the cap snap shut like new. If the gasket is already cracked or crusty, don't bother reviving it. Replace the gas cap. It's cheap insurance for a smooth running system. Tip number 16. Bleed the brakes during pad replacement. Changing brake pads is routine, but if you skip one simple step, you can quietly damage your ABS system, leading to four-figure repairs. Before compressing the caliper pistons, crack open the bleeder valve. If you don't, you'll push old, dirty brake fluid back through the lines and into sensitive components like the ABS module, parts that are not forgiving. Bleeding while compressing forces the grime out, not back in. You get better braking performance and a cleaner system. Just don't let the master cylinder run dry while bleeding, or air can get into the lines and give you a mushy pedal. A quick, clean bleed keeps your brakes sharp and your wallet intact. Tip number 15. Use an OBD2 scanner. That glowing check engine light doesn't have to mean panic or a $150 diagnostic fee. Every car made since 1996 has an OBD2 port. A simple, inexpensive scanner can reveal exactly what's wrong in seconds. Plug it in under the dashboard, turn the key to on, and your car spills its secrets, misfires, sensor issues, loose gas caps, everything. Many scanners even connect to your phone and translate cryptic codes into plain English. Even if you don't fix the problem yourself, you walk into the shop informed and unshakable. Stop fearing the light. Scan it, know it, own it. Tip number 14. Reset the maintenance required light. That little maintenance required light on your dashboard isn't a dire warning. It's just a mileage-based reminder, often for something as simple as an oil change. Manufacturers set it to drive you back to the dealership, but you can reset it yourself. On many vehicles, especially Toyotas, turn the ignition to the on position without starting. Make sure the odometer displays total mileage. Turn the ignition off, press, and hold the trip meter reset button. While holding it, turn the ignition back on. Keep holding until the light turns off. Resetting this yourself keeps you in control of your maintenance schedule. A smart bonus tip: reset your trip B meter after every oil change to track mileage easily. Tip number 13. Don't fall for fuel additive hype. Fuel additives promise cleaner engines, better mileage, and magic in a bottle. The truth? Modern gasoline already contains the additives your engine needs, blended in at the refinery. If miracle boosters truly worked wonders, oil companies would advertise them like crazy and add them to every gallon. Most additives give minimal, short-lived results. Octane boosters? Often a total scam. There are exceptions. Seafoam and Techron can help older, high-mileage engines or cars that have run on low-quality gas for years. But for the average driver, clean fuel, good filters, and regular maintenance beat any overpriced bottle. Tip number 12. Don't buy old car batteries. A new battery can quietly lose power sitting on a shelf. Before buying, check the manufacturer date stamped on the case. Aim for one less than a month old. Anything older is already on the clock. Once you bring it home, top it off with a quick charge before installing. Older or undercharged batteries die faster, struggle in cold weather, and leave you stranded. A fresh, fully charged battery means stronger starts and longer life. Tip number 11. Stop overfilling the gas tank. When the pump clicks off, stop. Extra fuel doesn't help. It can actually damage your vapor recovery system. Modern cars have charcoal canisters that trap vapors. Overfilling can flood them with liquid fuel, causing emissions issues, poor mileage, and even engine hiccups. And that extra gas expands once it warms up in your tank, sometimes leaking out and damaging your paint. Topping off is a myth. Don't do it. Tip number 10, replace air filters regularly. A dirty air filter doesn't work better, it chokes your engine. Air filters trap dust, dirt, and bugs before they reach the combustion chamber. As they clog, your engine struggles to breathe, performance drops, fuel economy dips, and long-term wear creeps in. Replace your air filter every 3 to 12 months depending on conditions. Don't forget your cabin filter either. Nobody likes musty air blowing through the vents. Tip number 9, check the PCV valve. This small valve plays a big role in keeping your engine healthy by venting crankcase gases. When it's clogged or stuck, you get rough idles, oil leaks, sludge buildup, and other headaches. Every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, pull it and give it a shake. If it rattles, it's likely fine. If it's silent or air flows both ways during a quick blow test, replace it. It's a cheap fix that prevents expensive problems. Tip number 8, maintain spark plugs. Tiny but mighty, spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mix that powers your car. Worn or dirty plugs cause rough starts, sluggish acceleration, and wasted fuel. Modern iridium plugs can last up to 100,000 miles, but don't just set and forget. Check them periodically. If they're blackened, crusty, or eroded, swap them out for the correct type recommended in your owner's manual. Fresh plugs mean cleaner combustion, better throttle response, and smoother operation. Tip number 7. Check all fluids. Your car relies on more than oil. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid all have lifespans, and many mechanics ignore them. Transmission fluid breaks down. Coolant prevents corrosion. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. Check your manual and stick to proper intervals. Keeping fluids fresh is cheap. Replacing parts that fail because you didn't is not. Tip number 6. Maintain tire pressure and alignment. Eyeballing tire pressure doesn't count. Low pressure and poor alignment are silent killers of tires, fuel economy, and suspension components. Check your tire pressure weekly or at least monthly. Get alignment checked every 6,000 to 10,000 miles or after big potholes. If your car drifts on a flat road or your tread wears unevenly, alignment is off. Proper pressure and alignment mean safer, smoother rides and longer tire life. Tip number 5, inspect belts and hoses. Belts and hoses rarely get attention until they fail. Once a month, pop the hood, look for cracks, fraying, or shiny spots on belts. Run your hands along hoses for bulges or soft spots. Replace anything questionable before it breaks. A snapped serpentine belt can strand you. A burst radiator hose can lead to overheating, and a blown head gasket. Catch problems early. Tip number 4, don't blast the heater too soon. Your heater pulls warmth from the engine's coolant. If you crank it on before the engine warms up, you're stealing the heat it needs to warm itself. This slows warm-up, thickens oil, burns more fuel, and increases wear. Wait until the temperature gauge reaches at least a quarter before turning on the heat. Tip number 3, warm the engine before revving. Cold oil takes time to circulate. Revving hard immediately after starting means metal parts rub without proper lubrication, wearing out pistons, valves, and bearings prematurely. Give your engine 30 to 60 seconds to get oil flowing before you press the gas. Tip number 2, take longer drives. Short trips don't give your engine time to burn off moisture. That water mixes with fuel residues to form acids that eat away at engine components. Regularly driving for at least 10 to 15 minutes allows oil to heat up, circulate properly, and keep everything clean and protected. Tip number 1, plan for seasonal swings. Your car feels the weather just like you do. Winter stiffens oil, drains batteries, and deflates tires. Check your battery, switch to winter tires if needed, and consider a thinner oil like 5W30 or 0W20 for faster cold start protection. Summer does the opposite. Thinner oil, hotter engines. If you're in a heatwave zone, a slightly heavier oil may protect better. Always keep an emergency kit. Jumper cables, flashlight, gloves, water, and a blanket. Now you know the secrets mechanics would rather keep buried. With a little bit of knowledge and some essential maintenance, you can save your money and your car's life. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more great tips from Make Car Go. Drive safe and take care of your car like it's a part of the family. Until next time, happy driving.